Unleashing Success, The Weekend Secrets of Entrepreneurs, The Power of Weekend Rituals. Imagine a world where success isn't just about the grind, but also about the strategic pauses. For entrepreneurs, weekends are more than just a break. They're a crucial part of the success equation. It's time to uncover the secrets of how these trailblazers recharge and thrive. The Weekend Reset, a necessary pause. In a world that never sleeps, constant connectivity can be a double-edged sword. It leads to mental exhaustion, decision fatigue, and ultimately, burnout. But here's where it gets controversial. Taking a step back from work during weekends isn't a sign of weakness. It's a strategic move towards long-term success and well-being. Research backs this up, showing that disengaging from work stressors during downtime reduces strain and revitalizes cognitive and emotional resources. Weekends, therefore, serve as a reset button, offering a chance to manage stress, reconnect with loved ones, and build the resources needed for the week ahead. The entrepreneur's weekend arsenal: detachment for energy recovery. Stepping away from work on weekends is an investment in resilience and performance. It allows entrepreneurs to manage stress and return with renewed vigor. Leisure with purpose. Engaging in hobbies, sports, or creative projects boosts well-being and work outcomes. A study reveals that creative hobbies enhance energy and performance, providing a purposeful and enjoyable resource for the work week. Family time for emotional support. Spending quality time with family strengthens emotional support systems, offering a buffer against entrepreneurial stress. Many entrepreneurs prioritize family on weekends to maintain balance and perspective. Exercise for cognitive boost. Regular physical activity enhances cognitive function, improves mood, and builds resilience against stress. Successful founders often use weekends for activities like running or hiking, boosting focus and long-term health. Reflection and planning. Setting aside quiet time for reflection helps entrepreneurs align actions with long-term goals. Weekends are ideal for assessing progress and strategizing for the coming week. Fostering clarity and focus. Prioritizing sleep and recovery. Adequate rest replenishes cognitive and emotional resources, enhancing focus, decision-making, and resilience. Recovery processes are vital for maintaining productivity. Mindfulness and stress management. Practices like meditation regulate stress, improve focus, and maintain clarity in high-pressure environments. Many high achievers incorporate mindfulness into their weekend rituals. Creative hobbies for innovation. Engaging in music, art, or writing provides an outlet for expression and fuels innovation. Creative leisure has a positive impact on entrepreneurial outcomes, stimulating new ideas. Reading for perspective. Exploring ideas through reading offers fresh inspiration and insights. Successful people often spend weekends reading widely to broaden their thinking and improve decision-making. Time in nature for renewal. Exposure to nature reduces stress and promotes mental clarity. For entrepreneurs, time outdoors on weekends supports physical health and creative thinking, offering a natural escape from work pressures. Digital detox for focus. Limiting screen time allows for deeper rest and presence. Digital detoxing reduces mental fatigue and improves focus, creating space for rest and reflection. Nurturing social connections. Strong social ties beyond work provide a sense of belonging and resilience. Positive social interactions support entrepreneurial well-being, offering emotional support and diverse perspectives. The weekend advantage. A competitive edge. Entrepreneurs who consciously invest in weekend downtime often find themselves better equipped to tackle challenges with clarity and innovation. These habits are not just about relaxation. They are strategic choices designed to sustain high performance over time. By embracing these weekend rituals, entrepreneurs gain the capacity to approach the week with renewed focus, resilience, and creativity. The call to action, your weekend strategy now. It's your turn. How will you harness the power of weekends to recharge and thrive? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. Let's spark a conversation about the role of weekends in entrepreneurial success.